Hey guys, it's Jen and Sienna again, and we're ready to break down another super fun routine. Are you ready? Let's do it.
1, 2, 3, 4.
What do you say? You ready to try this one? Okay, let's break it down. So basically, for the whole routine, your arms are gonna be right here in front of you. So let's talk about what we're gonna do with our lower body for the first 8 count. What you wanna think about first, feet apart, you're gonna think about lifting your right toes up first. So it goes right, center, left, center. Now both up and down, okay? Let's just try that. It goes right, left, both, down. Good job. Now your arms, right here in front of you, you're gonna think about pushing them down to the left first, lift them center, right, center, down, up, okay? So let's try and put that together. You ready? Yeah. All right. Right toes up first, arms in front. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So you do it twice. From there, we're gonna turn our knees in. So we're down here in plie, and let's do no arms first, just the legs. So it goes, we're gonna turn our right knee in first, 1 and 2, and now just what we did before, 3, 4, then you're gonna do the same thing, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? This time your arms are just gonna push down in front of you. So let's just try the knees, okay? Here we go. Come on down. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's put all of that together. What do you say? All right, feet apart. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 6, 7, 8. Knee, knee, up, down, knee, knee. Good. Okay, great job. Next part, we're gonna keep our hands here. We're gonna lift them up, come down to plie, pull them right here in the center. Then you're gonna shift your body to the right. 3, 4. So just like a little rib slide. Then you're gonna go up, down, and go to the left. 7, 8. So let's try just that part. Good? All right, up here. 1, 2, shift. 3, 4, 5, 6, shift. 7, 8. You got that? Final part of the routine looks like this. We're gonna push our arms overhead. We're gonna come down, so our arms are actually gonna stay here this time, and we're gonna do 2 little hip pushes. Right, then we're gonna lift up center, come down, 2 left hip pushes. You got that? Let's try both of those together. So first we're gonna try this part to the side, and then the hip. Got it? Got it? Is she good? Here we go. So, up, down, shift right, up, down, shift left, up, down, hip right, up, down, hip left. Okay, are you ready to try the whole thing? Yee! Let's do it. Here we go.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Here we go. Now both. Left. Now knee. Good. Again. Now arms up, shift right. Arms up, shift left. Now hip. Ready? 2. Now left. Great job! Thanks for being here with us again, and we'll see you next time.